Welcome back, guys, to another brand new video. Hope you guys are all hanging in there right now for Bitcoin. But yeah, Bitcoin today is actually on the move. Bitcoin is looking like it wants to reach back up to 97k, even back up to 100k, because right now, as I am from this video, Bitcoin is on the move. So I do want to talk about it. Okay, give you guys a little update what's happening with Bitcoin. There is in fact a fair few charts, of course, that I do want to show you guys, indicating and showing you guys that Bitcoin, okay, is ready to reach a new all-time high. Okay, it's going to be reaching a new all-time high sooner than you think. Okay, understand, guys. Okay, we saw Bitcoin a couple months back reaching a new all-time high of $109,000, and ever since Bitcoin reached 109k, right, it's gone down. Okay, it went down. Okay, even at one point went all the way down below 80k. Okay, so it's dropped quite a bit ever since, its previous all-time highs, right, of 109k. But right now, Bitcoin is obviously back at above 90k. It's about to reach back up, to 100k. As I've been telling you guys many times, this will happen. That we will see Bitcoin reaching back up to 100k, even back up to its previous highs, and of course, reaching a new all-time high. So in today's video, I want to talk more about that because, yeah, Bitcoin is on the move, like I said. Okay, and I do want to show you guys these charts today. Because Bitcoin will be reaching a new all-time high sooner than you guys think. I feel like a lot of people think Bitcoin won't be reaching a new all-time high, but it will. Okay, we're still in a bull market, guys. Okay, please remember that. So look at this. Okay, we're currently at the 4-hour time frame. Bitcoin is clearly pumping, guys. $96.8 thousand. If we go to the 1-hour time frame, you guys can clearly see it is moving. Okay, it is pumping as of right now. So it's looking pretty good. Okay, for Bitcoin, looking like it wants to reach back up to $100,000. A couple of days ago, we did actually see Bitcoin reaching around $98,000. So I would not be surprised, in the next few hours, if we do actually see Bitcoin reaching back up to 98k. I mean, it's looking pretty good right now for Bitcoin. It is pumping. Okay. The crypto market today is slightly up 1%. Global crypto market cap just below 3 trillion, 2.98 trillion. So yeah, Bitcoin is up almost 2% today. Alts, okay, are not really moving. Okay, you guys clearly see that Cardano's up like 1%, Avalanche also 1%, XLM, okay, 1% as well. Casper today is down 5%. Great time to buy some Casper. Okay, Casper's having a slight drop today. But it's still holding at 9 cents. So it's still, holding up pretty well for Casper, right? It really, really is. Bitcoin monthly returns so far this month of May, we're in the greens. Okay, nothing too crazy. Okay, we are slightly up, but nothing too crazy. Like I said, last month in April, okay, we saw Bitcoin up 14%, guys. 14%, not too bad. Okay, not too bad at all. I felt like last month in April was a pretty decent month, okay, for crypto. Okay, not just for Bitcoin. I mean, for Casper, it was up like almost 40%, which is, amazing to see. So I felt like last month in April was pretty decent, okay. But yeah, I do believe Q3, Q4, even Q2, where we are right now currently, will be some amazing times for Bitcoin and crypto. Now, the Fingreed Index, it's been a while since I gave you guys an update on this, okay, or even showed you guys this. So, yeah, guys can just clearly see the Fingreed Index is currently in greed mode, okay. Currently at 59. Yesterday was in neutral at 52. Last week was at 60, and last month it was at 34 in fear mode. So obviously, the sentiment is changing. Okay, we're back in greed. Okay, above 50. So that's absolutely amazing to see. Now let's get into these charts, guys. So you guys clearly see the Bitcoin cycles. Okay, you guys clearly see this just clearly shows you guys that we are not seeing the Bitcoin top yet. Okay, the Bitcoin top is not in yet. Okay, as I've been telling guys for the longest time now. Okay, because I feel like people, like I said earlier, think when we saw Bitcoin reaching 109, that was the top. That's it, and Bitcoin dropped, and that's it. We're going to be entering a bull market. But no, guys, we're still in a bull market. Remember, guys, just because we're in a bull market does not mean, okay, we're not going to see corrections or pullbacks or red days. Okay, just because we're in a bull market, guys, does not mean that. Okay, understand, when we are in a bull market, we're going to see red days during this time period of a bull market. It's normal, We've seen this during the 2017 bull run, even back in 2021 during that bull run. Okay, we saw many corrections, many red days, okay, many pullbacks, but Bitcoin just bounced back even harder. And that's exactly what's gonna happen, right? Soon enough, guys. Okay, we're gonna see Bitcoin reaching back up to 100k, like I said, even going back up to its previous highs of 109, and of course reaching a new all-time high. Okay, you guys can clearly see that the time period 230 to 330 days. Okay, so understand, guys, Q2 where we are currently right now should be pretty decent for Bitcoin. Even in Q3 and Q4 will be some amazing times for Bitcoin. That's when we're going to really see Bitcoin going parabolic in that banana zone. Okay, and that's when we're going to see Bitcoin reaching 150, 180 to even 200k and beyond. It's going to happen. So Bitcoin holders, be ready for that. Okay, so understand, global liquidity is going parabolic and Bitcoin will follow. Usually when the global liquidity does go up, okay, Bitcoin goes up as well, right? You guys can clearly see that in this chart. Okay, so will it follow this time? Will this time be different? Probably not. Okay, but yes, I do believe Bitcoin is bound to go up as well. Okay, global liquidity is going up, it's going parabolic. That means Bitcoin will follow and go parabolic as well. It's bound to happen, guys. So be ready for this, okay? Because a Bitcoin pump is coming. It's going to shock a lot of people. Now, history is repeating itself. Okay, you guys can clearly see that. What Bitcoin did back 2021 versus what it's doing right now currently, okay, during this time period, it looks very, very similar, right? You guys can clearly see that. Okay, reaccumulation, okay, and accumulation. And yeah, you know, it is bound to bounce back up, right? Just like what it did in 2021. So we're going to see a massive push for Bitcoin, just like what it did back in 2021, right? You guys clearly see that. We're going to see Bitcoin going back up to 100k, back up to its previous highs of 109, and of course, reaching a new all-time high. It's going to happen anytime now, guys. Okay, like I said, Bitcoin will be reaching a new all-time high sooner than you guys think. Okay, now look at this, last chance to buy Bitcoin before a new all-time high. Okay, and you guys clearly see with these you know, red band, okay, and green band. Okay, you guys clearly see right now we are in fact in a red band, and what happens right after a red band? We see a green band. Okay, you guys can see that with this pattern, right? Ever since Bitcoin did reach a low of like 15k back November, December 2022. I don't know if you guys remember that, but yes, Bitcoin all the way down here did reach that price target. And ever since then, ever since pretty much early of 2023 to where we are right now, okay, Bitcoin has formed this beautiful uptrend, right? You guys can clearly see that. Okay, it recovered from its low of 15k, right? Beautifully, right? You guys can clearly see that. And this uptrend will continue. It's not going to stop. We're not going to see, you know, Bitcoin having a massive drop just yet. Okay, it's going to go much, much higher. Okay, so understand, guys. We are in fact in a red band right now. We are in fact seeing a correction happening for Bitcoin, but soon enough, okay, what comes after it is a green band. So get ready for that, guys. That means Bitcoin is going to be reaching a new high, pretty much, right? It's going to be reaching 120, 130, 150, 180 to even 200k and higher. Okay, so be ready for that, Bitcoin holders. Okay, be ready for that. Now I want to show you guys this, because Saylor himself, he is not stopping. He is still continuing to accumulate Bitcoin. Okay, and this happened 2 days ago, but I want to talk more about it. Okay, I already talked about this. I already mentioned this in my stream like 2 days ago, but I want to talk more about it for today's video. So Saylor, okay, strategy, they have acquired more Bitcoin. They bought more Bitcoin. Okay, they bought 1,895 Bitcoins. Okay, almost 1,900 Bitcoins, guys. Okay, so that's around $180 million. Okay, and now they now hold, okay, strategy, they now hold 555,450 Bitcoins. Okay, I really do believe, okay, like in the future, guys, strategy, they're gonna accumulate 1,000,000 Bitcoins. 1,000,000 Bitcoins, guys. I do believe that's gonna happen. Like they're more than halfway there now. Okay, so it's crazy to see this, right? They went from literally nothing, like zero, back 2020, okay, because Saylor started to, accumulate Bitcoin late of 2020, around like September of 2020, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. And that's like less than like 5 years, right? And they have already accumulated, a lot of Bitcoins, right? You guys can clearly see that, like more than 500,000 Bitcoins, coming up to 600,000, and then eventually a million Bitcoins. I really do believe in the future they're gonna acquire 1 million Bitcoins. Like, I truly do believe that, like a few years down the road, I really do believe they will do that, guys, because they are continuing to accumulate Bitcoin. Okay. And as retail investors, we should be doing the exact same thing, right? Dollar cost average into Bitcoin, guys. Okay, just DCA and hold Bitcoin, right? It's that simple. You simply just want to buy and hold Bitcoin. You want to hodl. Okay, so that is that. But guys, I appreciate you guys for watching today's video. I will keep you guys up to date on what's going to be happening with Bitcoin. But yeah, it's looking like Bitcoin does want to reach back up to, 97, 98K, and then eventually 100K. So I will keep you guys up to date. But it's looking pretty good right now for Bitcoin. Okay, it is on the move. Okay, but yeah, appreciate all you guys for watching today's video. Give it a thumbs up, and of course, subscribe to the channel. That is always appreciated. And I will catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.